Let's make a shift dress. So the first thing I do is start off with 4 pieces of fabric. And then I place an existing shift dress I have over my fabric and make an outline of it. Once I have the outline complete, I just cut it. And then I split the 4 pieces of fabric into 2, and I sew along the armholes, the neck holes, and the bottom. And I do that for both pairs. Then I placed both pairs of fabric on top of each other. But first I flipped the dresses inside out, and when they're together they will form the dress. So I'm gonna sew along the sides, the shoulders, and sew, and with that the dress is complete.